Thanks for joining me. This lecture topic is entitled Basic JMeter Script Development. JMeter provides a means for generating editable and executable scripts. It is a tool called the JMeter IDE or GUI platform. The JMeter IDE is designed for manual editing, recording, executing, and monitoring of application performance test scripts. Unlike Silk Performer or Load Runner or Rational, JMeter is an open source tool. It installs easily, and it is a strong competitor to commercially licensed software. JMeter interfaces with Java and is built upon the Java language to assist you with performance test activities. It works as a GUI IDE program and can run as a command line program. This extends its abilities to other platforms like Jenkins and BlazeMeter for automated batch job execution and cloud execution, respectively. The common approach to developing JMeter test scripts can be identified in three primary steps. Define the test plan inside the IDE, record an application navigation session script inside the recording controller of JMeter, and execute and debug the script to generate a repeatable, reusable, and reliable test script. In defining a test plan, the JMeter IDE is a GUI interface that, when launched, displays a script element called test plan. The test plan element is a default used to assign a test case name or leave the default name as test plan. This flexibility allows for multiple test case definitions to define a scenario. The test plan element also supports the following actions: defining variables at a global level of the script, thread group controls, where you run thread groups defined in sequence or not if the checkbox is left empty, run a tear down thread groups defined after the main threads. The scope of the test plan in JMeter does not stop with the test plan element. It also includes a thread group and one or more samplers. JMeter can be done in two primary ways: manually or by template. The manual approach is done by using the Add Element feature. If we start with the test plan element, we can right-click on this element and use the Add option to display a list of all the elements supported for subordinate usage to the test plan element. At this level, most of the JMeter elements are available. As you add elements at lower levels, there are less available elements. So JMeter helps you in this way to identify what can be used throughout the script development process. While we are here, let us take a moment to get familiar with properties associated with the elements and other features. We can start with the test plan and continue from there. My time has ended for this session. I thank you for yours. Join me in the next video.